guys, I'm just going to go for a little drive in the A45 AMG. Just have a listen to this. Wow, that's fast. So, first impressions with this is it's a little hot hatch and it's quick, and it's very quick. And it's very comfortable. The seats hold you in as they need to with the amount of power this thing puts out. And it just feels like it's so stable on the road. It feels amazing, this car. It just, yeah, you just sit here with this beautiful looking, or really nice looking racing wheel, and it does the job. It does a really, really good job of just holding the road, looking good from the outside to the inside, the carbon fibre all around there. The seats, yeah, just help you hold you in. The steering feels precise. There's even a little marker here for where the steering wheel's straight. So the vision out the front is great. Vision out the sides is really good, even though there's a pillar there, a reasonably thick one. The vision out the back is good, obviously for a hatch, but obviously if you had people sitting there, it would make it a bit harder to see out the back. Mirrors do a really good job of this car to enable me to see everything, which is a great thing. And all the controls are easy to use, especially these paddle shifters. So I'm really, and the power that this thing makes. We're just on Sports Plus at the moment, but even just putting my foot down, it's really just, yeah. And when you downshift the throttle blip as well there, and it has pops and crackles from the exhaust, which are really, really nice. Actually, it does a really, really good job. So yeah, guys, so I'm pretty impressed with this little car, little hot hatch. It is amazing, this car, to drive, and I think that you all should go out and at least drive one and see what you think. And yeah, this is just, yeah, I love this car. It's an amazing car. The 7-speed transmission's really, it's a dual clutch system, so it's always ready to go. The all-wheel drive keeps you on the road, and it does keep you on the road with all the power that you have. And it's just a really, really nice place to be. You feel sort of homely, you feel like you're in a race car. I feel that when I'm in this car, and you know, obviously changing down gears, the blip, the throttle, and the popping and crackling noises as well. You know, things like that. And yeah, no, it's very, it does a really, really good job of just the power is very smooth. It's not like you sort of have your, you know, it's very just smooth for a car this size. Pop and crackle and things like that. But yeah, it's very nice just to drive around normally, guys. It very much just has a really nice sound and a really nice feel to the car, and it's very, yeah, and I think this is a great little car, to be honest. I mean, obviously the I suppose things I would say I don't like about the vehicle would be the rear seat legroom. It doesn't have, as well, having no USB ports at the back, just the vents, even though vents are a good thing. Yeah, other than that, everything else is pretty much spot on. Obviously it's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so you've got different settings for it as well. But yeah, it's very, very nice to drive. The sunroof as well, having that open as well. If we wanted to, we could have the just the cover off and have that there. I won't open the sunroof because of the wind noise, but other than that, guys, it very much is a very nice car to drive and a nice place to be. Everything seems to work. The brakes do an incredible job in this car, and they need to with the amount of power that you've got. But it's very much a really amazing car. This car is. It is. I can't sort of talk about it in any sort of anymore. It's very nice. It's very luxurious as well, not just because it's a performance car, but it's got both performance and, I suppose, classiness in it as well. So it's a very nice car to drive. It is low to the ground. It is a small little hot hatch, but it's very much like a really nice car to drive in all circumstances. So you can drive it around town or to the shops, or you can drive it to the to the racetrack, I suppose. So you can get bread and milk, and as well you can go up and do a few laps at the racetrack as well if you want, which is really nice. So other than that, guys, that's pretty much a wrap for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe and like the video, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.